So, good day everyone. So, today is our second session and ang gagawin lang natin ngayon is basahin ulit yung story and then mamaya may ipapasagot ako sa'yo. So, basahin mo na.
Dasinga. Dasinga sang nila utawa unimaginative adventurous king was restless by nature. Restless by nature and wanted to travel to far away places. He loves hunting wild animals.
Stop.
So when he heard that there were stags in the jungle of Tanjung Bentang, which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjung Bentang. When the king arrived upon the island, he and his subjects had a hunting expedition that lasted several hours, slaying many wild and savage beasts, but not stags. This disappointed the king, for he had a sense of unfulfillment in his heart. Suddenly, a large stag.
Wait lang. Dakwit, sarding baset, tapos tuloy. Kasi dyan.
Suddenly, a large stag darted out of the bush in front of Sang Nila Utama, giving the king a shock. But the king drew his silver dagger and hearted it at the stags, only grazing the animals. The stags began to run, and the king pursued it. It was either you fit or nothing. The stags ran through the jungle and the up a tunnel. The king followed the stags up the hill upon reaching summit. The stags was nowhere to be seen. There was a large rock, so the king climbed it and looked the land and sea spread out around him. In the distance, he saw a stretch of white sand, an island. Sang Nila Utama was fascinated by the sight of the island. He turned to one of the subjects who had followed him. "What is the name of the island?" The subjects looked into the distance and smiled. That is Temasek, Your Highness. That we are. Then when we are going there, the king ordered his fleet to set sail, and they began on their journey toward the island. skies were covered with the black clouds. Heavenly rain poured from them, and strong
Burst.
bursts of wind disseminated
Threaten.
threatened to tear the ship's apart. The ship
Carrying
carrying Samuel Otama was in the very eye of the storm.
with the tuldok, istawak tapos tuloy.
The crew
Lowered.
lowered the sails, started to bail the water from the ships, and get most of the cargo for
Jettisoning.
However, an idea came to King's head. He remembered a story his grandfather told him of how one of his ancestors
Became
became the sea king, and that his crown was the only thing which belonged to his ancestor. He removes his crown
immediately and threw it
into the sea. All at once the storm
broke
as suddenly as it started the king's the skies began to clear, and the crew gave a shout of joy and set sail once more to the island of Temasek. When the king stepped up on the island, a nature
creature
stepped out on the river, and the king and his men were
awestruck
by the
magnificent
creature. It was large and moved with
grace
and a black head covered
in a
with
whitish
neck and a red body. When the king drew his bow and arrow, the beast stared back at him with golden eye and let out a
deafening
roar before leaping into the jungle. What sort of animal? What
sort
of animal was that? The king asked. A wise old man stepped forth. Have seen animals in portraits from
ulit
portraits from the far west. Perhaps this is a singer, but I wonder how it got all the way here. This must be
such
a beautiful animals live here. Here on the island of Singapore.
Okay, thank you. So, ngayon, may papasagot ako sa'yo. At ang isasagot mo lang is true or false. Mag-number ka dito ng 1 to 10. 1 to 10 lang. Sulat mo na din yung pangalan mo dito. Yan. So, okay na? True or false lang, ah? So, Sang Nila Utama was a king who loved to hunt wild animals. True or false? Number 2. The king successfully hunted many stags during his expedition. True or false? Number 3. The island that Sang Nila Utama saw from the Nile was named Temasek. The island that Sang Nila Utama saw from the Nile was named Temasek. 4. The weather was calm and sunny when the king's fleet set sail for the island. The weather was calm and sunny when the king's fleet set sail for the island. Okay. Number 5. Sang Nila Utama threw his crown into the sea to calm the storm. Sang Nila Utama threw his crown into the sea to calm the storm. Okay, next, number 6. The creature that the king encountered had a blue body and yellow eyes. The creature that the king encountered had a blue body and yellow eyes. True or false? So, number 7. A wise old man identified the creature as a singa. A wise old man identified the creature as a singa. Next, number 8. The king decided to leave the island after encountering the creature. The king decided to leave the island after encountering the creature. So, number 9. Sang Nila Utama named the island Singapura after his encounter with the creature. Sang Nila Utama named the island Singapura after his encounter with the creature. So last, number 10. The story of the Singa has no connection to the Singapore's history. The story of the Singa has no connection to Singapore's history. So, okay. Done. Tapos na. So, thank you.